out of here, bro. I just want my fucking kids. We have no paperwork, we have nothing. They live at 42 Webster Ave.
The kids will be there. Like,
I have all the formula, I have all the water, I have everything they need. I can have my kids. She works tomorrow, I already called that at work. I don't work tomorrow, I can have my fucking kids.
Alright, let's talk to her real quick. We're gonna talk to her.
Bro, like, this is the third time she took my fucking kids from me, man. Why do you think I'm here like this?
I know.
What the fuck? I've done everything for this stupid bitch.
the kids are not going, especially now.
Fuck you, bitch! You can't even take care of your own fucking kids. Why the fuck you think the bitch came and lived with me?
She lives with you, but you picked her out Friday and today.
When did I kick her out, you stupid bitch?
Don't cry.
Suck my fucking dick, nigga.
Come on.
Old ass bitch, you disrespectful, got no respect for your bitch ass.
Man, come on,
That's why your last nigga dragged your bitch ass across the floor.
Come on, bro. Come on, just relax.
Fuck out of here. Bro, yo, I swear to fucking God, my nigga, give me my kids. Yo. Liana, you ain't coming back from this, bitch, I promise you. Not again. You wanna do this? Say less, bitch.
Let him talk, please.
I got a New Jersey truck jack. Can you run for me, please? And owner information.
Bitch, bro. Take my fucking kids? My fucking, you trapped me with another fucking kid, then you got take them from me? Say less. Best believe I swear to God. He was the best decision I ever fucking made. Swear to God.
And I told him, he said, tell my kids tonight that I love them and all of that.
Bro, I thought you were coming home! You're supposed to be home at 9 o'clock!
Come on.
Dog, are you a father? Are you a father?
No, but listen.
You're not a father, you don't understand, my nigga. Third time, this is the third time my kids have been taken from me.
Yelling is the help. Yelling is the help.
Get the fuck out of here. Put your fucking hands on me, bitch. Get the fuck out of here.
That's it, we gave you a fucking chance, bro.
I gave him a chance to put his hands on me. I gave him a chance to put his hands on me.
We told you to chill out so we can solve the problem. That's it.
You didn't record him, hit me.
Please stop.
That's some bitch ass shit, bro. That's some bitch ass shit, my nigga.
Stop resisting, Brandon.
I'm not resisting, yo.
Just relax, please.
That's some bitch ass shit, yo.
Brandon, please relax.
Yo, you saw him punch me in my shit.
Turn around.
Relax.
You saw him punch me in my shit, dog.
You need to relax.
I know, but I need to get you up. Listen.
Relax, please.
Look me in my eye, little nigga.
No.